Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of web server and tracking a close look to the NGINX reverse proxy configuration, especially with Apache as our backend server. So if you are ready to optimize your backend server and give the security to your backend server, uh, you are in the right place. Let's jump right now. So let's understand what is proxy. A proxy server acts as an intermediate between a client and server, such as a web browser or application. Means a proxy means our all traffic will go through that server. Okay, means the proxy server. Then understand the type of our proxy server. Here there are two types of proxy server, like forward proxy and reverse proxy. Okay, so let's understand what is the forward proxy. A forward proxy and a reverse proxy are both types of proxy server. Okay, but the server different purpose of operation in different way. Okay, so this forward proxy and reverse proxy, these are the types of proxy server, but they serve different purpose of different purpose and operation. Okay, let's understand what is the difference between them. So forward proxy, a forward proxy acts on behalf of clients, interpreting their request and forwarding them to internet destination. Okay, so it's typically deploy within the client's network or on the internet, and serve as an intermediate between the client and internet. Okay, so reverse proxy, what is the reverse proxy? As a reverse proxy site in front of the server and act as a gateway for client request. When clients makes request to a server, they are direct to the reverse proxy. In maybe you have not understood the definition. Okay, so let's understand by this diagram. Okay, so you can see here, okay, so you can see here, this is the user client. Okay, user means suppose you and me. Okay, user, suppose user give a request. First it will go to the forward proxy server. Okay, and then it will go to the internet. Okay, and after that it reach to the our original server. So this is the example of the forward proxy. So let's understand by a small example. Okay, so let's say you are working in a office environment. Okay, where internet access is restricted. The company has implement a forward proxy server. Means the company implemented this forward proxy. Okay, suppose company implemented a forward proxy server to control and monitoring the employee internet uses. Okay, so means the company want to restrict some website. Okay, restrict some website or block some website. For that the company will use the forward proxy. When an employee want to access a website. Okay, suppose let it be the employee want to access a website, their web browser send the request to the forward proxy server. Okay, so means like this is the user, it will first uh, send the request to the forward proxy server. Then after, then it will approved by the forward proxy, then it will pass to the internet. Then after, the user will reach to the original server. So this is the simple example of the forward proxy. Okay, let's understand the reverse proxy. What is the reverse proxy? Reverse proxy means the user or client, means you and me also. It will directly send the request to the internet. Okay, and then the internet send the request to the reverse proxy server. Then after this reverse proxy server will send the request to the our original server. Will directly touch to the reverse proxy server but not to the our original server. Okay, so it means it's give a like a security. Okay, it's give a security. We save our backend server or our original server. We give the security to the server. Okay, so in this tutorial we will do the reverse proxy demo. Okay, so in a reverse proxy we will take the nginx, and for the our original server I will take the Apache server, and there my application or my website is running. Okay, when I will access the our reverse proxy, means the nginx server, it automatically redirect to the our Apache server or my website. Okay, so this will we will demonstrate you. Okay, so before that, let's understand the reverse proxy offer the several benefits. So actually what are the benefits? Okay, so it's gives a security. Reverse proxy acts on a additional layer of the defense by the hiding the identity of characteristics of the original server from external user. Okay, so in the previous diagram, I think you have already understood these things. Our user cannot directly touch to the our original server. Okay, so the user is directly touched to our reverse proxy. Okay, a proxy server. Then the proxy server send the request to the our original server. Then it gives a security. Then the second is the load balancer. Reverse proxy can distribute the incoming client request. Okay, and process multiple server, those improving the performance and reliability of the web application by ensuring that no single server becomes overwhelmed with a request. Okay, a load balancer means you will use the AWS load balancer. There is also a option load balancer, but it's a costly. Okay, if your requirement is cheap, okay, and you want to save the costing of your project, then you will go through the load balancer. And it's a load balancer means your project is very small. Okay, then you will go want to use the load balancer. Okay, so you will go through the nginx load balancer. Okay, we will do this demo in this tutorial. So what this is our client, means you, and you give the request through the internet directly, it will hit to the nginx server. Okay, then this nginx server send the request to the our Apache server, then it will return. Okay, and through this nginx server, and here you can see the our website. Okay, so let's do the demo. So I am in my AWS console. Let's go to the EC2, and then go to the instance. Let's create a nginx instance first. Okay, so I'm giving a name like nginx. Okay, and let it be Amazon Linux, and give the select the key pair. Okay, give this traffic and launch instance. Go down, select all instance. Okay, it will pending. Let me create another instance, our Apache. Okay, okay, give as a Apache. Select this time Ubuntu. select the key pair and allow this to traffic HTTP and HTTPS because it's run in a 80 port. Okay, so launch instance, view all instance, refresh it. Okay, so our Nginx server is ready. Just copy the public IP and go to the terminal, and here is the ec2 user, ec2 hyphen user at the rate the IP, press enter. Yes, first update it, sudo yum update, press enter. Okay, nothing to update. So let's install the nginx. Sudo yum install nginx. Okay, yes. Okay, nginx now install. Let's start the nginx. Sudo systemctl start nginx server. Okay, so our nginx server start, and you can also access this nginx server to your browser. Just paste it and press enter. Okay, you can see the welcome to nginx. That means our nginx server is running. Okay, so let's go to the Apache server and install the Apache, and then launch our website. Okay, just remove this and paste our IP, press enter. Yes. Okay, let's update. Sorry, sudo apt update -y. It will update. Okay, fine, it will updated. Let's install the Apache. So sudo apt install Apache 2 -y. Okay, so our Apache is installed. Let's go to the Apache folder. This is the var www html. Okay, press enter. You can see there is a index.html. Just remove this one. Sudo remove forcefully index. Okay, then I will create my own website here. Sudo vi. Okay, and I have kept this website in my GitHub repository. Just copy this thing and paste it here. Sorry, it's not copied. I think copy and paste it here. Okay, and save this. Just go to the nginx server. Sorry, Apache. Copy the Apache public IP. Press enter. Okay, so this is my website. Okay, so this is the nginx server, and this is my website. So I want to, when I will hit this IP, it will automatically redirect to this application, or this is my website, to this website. Okay, so let's configure. How we will configure? Let's go to the Nginx server and go to the cd slash etc nginx, okay, and do ls-l, and here you can see there is a uh, file nginx.conf. So just sudo vi nginx.conf, press enter, okay. So let's go down here. Okay, so you can see there is a server inside the server location. Here you can see this is the location, and edit this one. Okay, so remove this error page. Okay, remove this one, and remove also this. Okay, means location equal to slash, means it will redirect everything, and here you have to give the IP of our this website. Okay, so before that, what we will do, just copy these things, okay, and proxy underscore pass, okay, just paste it here. Indentation should be same, okay, fine, same, and give the this our cloud website IP address. Remove this one, okay, and paste it here, okay, fine, and save it. Let's stop the nginx server and restart it again. Stop and start. Okay, let's go to our nginx server and see. Okay, refresh it. Wait, so let's again copy the public IP, okay, and go to it, paste it here. Let's see. Okay, so you can see it's populated. Okay, let's go to the nginx server, okay, and copy this one, paste it here. Okay, you can see this is our nginx server. Okay, you can see this nginx server IP. Okay, so this is the nginx server IP 8.143.171.173. you can see this is the nginx server IP, and this is our Apache server IP. So when we will just copy and go to the incognito mode, press enter, you can see it's automatically redirected to our to the backend server. And just subscribe our channel, just click on it, okay, it will give. And this is my YouTube channel, and that's a one for today's video. Folk, you have covered the basic of setting up to a reverse proxy with nginx, and using a Apache as a backend service. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.